That is insane.
This is the captain that make it happen. Miss Aaliyah Nelson, how are you?
Hi, Andre. How you doing?
I'm great now. We were at the Face Forward Summer Initiative Expo. Was it what you expected?
It was more than what I expected because I had not seen the final preparations for the kids' presentation, so I was completely surprised and very pleased. They were excellent. The kids, I told them they had to bring their A game, and they showed up with the A game. So they put in the work, and the results showed. When you invest what is needed, you get the results that you want. And when you invest to create excellence, then that's what you're going to get. And so with the help of all of the community members who really banded together to support these young people, because it wasn't just one funder, it was a whole community, and we just need to keep that going, keep the momentum. And so now is the time to make that investment to keep it year-round, not just the summer.
I'm here with the president of Urgent Inc., Dr. Henry Crespo. Tell us, how was this Face Forward initiative and the task of taking it on for Urgent Inc.?
Well, first of all, I want to thank you, Andre, for all the work that you do with iUrban TV. Brother, we appreciate it. Face Forward is going to be a magnificent movement that has grown organically to highlight and to serve as a catalyst for young adults between the ages of 14 and 24. This Face Forward initiative is going to be exciting. It's going to be around film, arts, culture, construction, entrepreneurship, you know, all of that. Coming from over town and encompassing the world. It's a beautiful thing.
Program is definitely something that the youth of Overtown and any community needs, so definitely funders, you should be in on this.